Marvin here from Jaguar Top Repair.com. I just wanted to give convertible Jag owners the exciting news. With the increasing number of calls that I've gotten from all over the country to fix convertible tops on 2007 through 2016 Jaguar XK8 XKR models, I have finally decided to add this service. Nothing will change. Same great service, and all repairs can be completed in a day right in your driveway. Remember, the warmer it gets, my calendar starts to fill fast. So get ready for spring now. We're available 24 hours a day. Just give us a call at 888-317-9340. That's 888-317-9340. And as an extra added bonus, all deposits made for service between now and March 31st will receive a 15% discount to my advertised price. Again, as it gets warmer, my calendar starts to fill fast, so get ready for spring now. Thank you.